Think your small space limits your fence options? Think again. These designs maximize privacy, style, and space all at once. Today, we're sharing smart, stylish fencing ideas perfect for small urban gardens, patios, and terraces. Vertical slats draw the eye upward, making tight spaces appear taller. Dark tones make the fence visually recede so your plants stand out. Solid panels below, open sections above. This design keeps privacy while letting in light and airflow. Add life to your fence with vertical planters, climbing vines, or hedge-style barriers. They soften the look and bring nature right to your space. Combine textures for impact, wood with metal posts, or gabion bases with timber panels, for a modern, durable style. Turn your fence into a feature, mirrors to make the space feel bigger, chalkboards for creativity, or string lights for nighttime charm. Upcycle pallets or reclaimed wood for a budget-friendly and unique look. It's eco-friendly and adds character. Small spaces don't have to mean small ideas. With the right fence, you can have privacy, style, and function in one smart package. For expert fence installation or repair, visit caanfenceinc.com or call 781-767-3596 today.